here in San Leandro at the Durant Square, borderline Oakland, Khalifa Aztlan. This cell tower's been here for a minute, for a couple years at least. Is, This is how they monitor and blanket a community and watch our every move and use the sensors. They can shut and shut off sensors with these cell towers. They're everywhere. Some people have them, and some not people. Some corporations or some government agencies have them. And again, some do. This is just one of many. And so we will be documenting the other ones shortly. Cop Watch Aztlan, Operation Bluebird, Poor Mag, PNN Network, Aztlan Press.